Hello everybody. So to explain the second guardia that I gave you, I am going to record a video explaining a little bit what is the mole. If you remember from when you had to learn the fundamental units and fundamental magnitudes, the magnitude for the amount of substance is the mole. Okay, we call that mole with an E at the end. In Spanish, only mol without E. And the symbol is mol without E in English and Spanish. Okay? So, what is a mole? Well, a mole is the amount that measures the number of elementary entities of a substance. So, la cantidad que mide el número de partículas elementales o de átomos o moléculas de una sustancia, ¿vale? Así que un mol es un número, ¿vale? Como podríamos decir 1000, un millón, yo qué sé, un Google, ¿vale? Todo eso, que son números grandes, pues un número especial, 6.022 times 10 to the power of 23, o sea, 6.022 por 10 elevado a 23. This is a number, and we call this number mole. Okay? The original definition of mole was the number of atoms that you can find in 12 grams of carbon 12. ¿Vale? La definición original era un mol corresponde al número de átomos que se encuentran en 12 gramos de carbono 12. But in 2018, the General Conference of Weight and Measures announced that the mole will be just a number. The number, more specifically, this number, 6.022140076 times 10 to the power of 23 of any chemical unit. ¿Ok? Also, un mol es un número o una cantidad de sustancias. El número ese que os he dicho. A ese número we call it Avogadro number, el número de Avogadro, ¿vale? Avogadro number, we write N mayúscula, A, ¿ok? So, the property of matter that represents the amount of substance is not mass, but the number of particles that make up a certain extent of substance, ¿ok? And here you see in this symbol the 7 fundamental units, ¿no? Second, kilogramo, mol, candela, Kelvin, current, meters. Ok, ¿ya? The molar mass. ¿Qué pasa aquí? The molar mass of a substance is the mass of 1 mole of that substance. In other words, the mass of el número de Avogadro de esos átomos, ¿vale? Lo voy a repetir en español. La masa molar M mayúscula de una sustancia es la masa que tiene un mol de esa sustancia, ¿no? Pues si la masa molar de la plata es 107,87 UMAS, o sea, si la masa atómica de la plata es 107,87 UMAS, la masa molar es la masa que tienen 6,022 por 10 elevado a 23 átomos de plata, ¿vale? Las unidades del sistema internacional sería kilogramos por mol, pero esto se usa siempre en gramos por mol. ¿Por qué? Porque un mol de plata pesa en gramos lo mismo que un átomo de plata en UMAS. ¿Ok? So, I leave that here, and if we go to the periodic table, okay, any atom, for example, oxygen, we had oxygen weights almost 16 UMAT, one oxygen atom. Okay, 1 mole of oxygen weighs 16 grams. Okay, that's why we like the mole, because 1 mole converts directly the atomic mass into grams. ¿Sí? Un mol, 6,022 por 10 elevado a 23 átomos, es la cantidad de átomos que necesitamos para convertir este número de UMAS a gramos. ¿Ok? We will do a lot of exercises with this, and this is crucial to keep on learning chemistry. So please answer everything you need. Okay? You need to know this very, very, very well. So what happened? 1 mole of iron weighs 55.845 grams, and 1 mole of zinc 65.39 grams. In both samples there are the same number of atoms, 1 mole, but zinc atoms are bigger and heavier than gold atoms, so a mole of zinc weighs more. Yes? So 1 mole of magnesium weighs how many grams? We go here, magnesium, 24 grams. Okay? 24.305. Yes? Strontium, you go here and you rate. Silver, here. Argon, well, argon is a noble gas. Yes? There. Okay? For molecule, well, here, for potassium chloride, here you need to fill in the formula. Potassium chloride. Then, how many grams? The grams of the potassium plus the grams of the chloride. Okay? And you are going to be able to fill this in alone. Okay? If I give you this is equal to 1 mole, ¿no? 6, el número de Avogadro de átomos es un mol, okay? So, here, if you need to convert this into moles, you need to divide this by the número de Avogadro to know how many moles, okay? Okay, so please, this is getting more and more complicated. I'm going to stop here. You are able to do part 1 and part 2 with this explanation. Okay? And I think if you have understand me correctly, you will be able to do everything. If not, try to do part 1 and part 2, and I will either make another video or maybe talk to somebody who can actually explain it to you in class. Okay? So have fun with this. This is, I think, quite thorough and easy once you get this. And please do ask me any question if you are not getting this, because it's really important. I would like to be with you as soon as I can. Bye.